Hello and welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. So it's almost the monsoon. It's July and raining already started. It's a great relief, by the way. And Elish or Hilsha season is coming. So today I went to the fish market and I got a few Hilsha or Elish. These are not bigger in size and it's not even small, or it's not it's medium, you can say. So I bought some Elish and I thought to create a recipe. It's not a very new recipe, but I was getting request from the last year to show something, some kind of cooking in microoven, and some guys, even not even girls, even guys, they are also asking me. Some of them are bachelor or working. They said that in microoven how to prepare the Elish Bhapa like their mother. So by the way, mothers, they are really very good cook. I won't say cook, they are very good chef. We cannot cook like them, but definitely it will be at least 90%. So I'm sharing the recipe how to do that micro oven Elish Bhapa. Hope it will help everybody. So if you're a bachelor, you can cook it right now and you can give surprise to your friends and family. When your mothers or father, they're coming to see you, you can prepare that. And for the newly married, you can try it too. So just go through the recipe and enjoy this Elish Bhapa in microoven. And I'm going to start with the recipe. It's very simple recipe, that Elish Bhapa in microoven. What I have, this 2 piece of Elish piece, not big, so very small one. And I'll show you what are the ingredients I'm using. It's very simple, maybe something it's not very usual. So let me show you what are the ingredients I'm using for this microoven Bhapa Elish. One by one I'm showing you the ingredient. First of all, I'm using dry coconut powder, so that after this Elish Bhapa, I can keep this in freezer at least 3 to 4 days. You can use it with a fresh coconut as well, but I prefer this dry coconut powder. This is stock dough or curd. It's not hung curd, a normal one. This one, I always use that white mustard and red mustard. I will use the paste. So this is the mustard seeds. I soaked it overnight and with a pinch of salt. So the white mustard or yellow mustard, that is the proportion will be 2:1. 2 white mustard and red mustard or regular mustard, that is 1. So that is the 2:1. And this one, turmeric or haldi, and little bit of sugar. So it's up to you. If you don't want to give, you just don't give. And this is the salt. Next, mustard oil. This is 1 chili I am using, and this tomato slices, these are optional. I will use for the garnishing as well as for the taste. So what I'll do, apart from this chili and tomato and this mustard oil, I'll make a mixture. So I'll make a mixture, and after that I'll rub it over there and I'll come to the recipe. Okay, so I just made a paste. It's a coarse one with that mustard seed. Now I will add other ingredients and I'll make a smooth paste. So salt, sugar and turmeric, and this is coconut powder. If you don't have, as I said, you can use the fresh coconut as well. And now this is curd. So I'll make a smooth paste and then I will marinate. The recipe is very fast. The cooking time is very less. It's only 5 minutes. Preparation time maximum 15 minutes. So I'll make a paste at first. And the paste is done. It's very smooth. Now I have to cover it. And here I will use my hand. So rub it well. And let me see if it goes inside. Okay, you can see it's too much gravy, but actually I love it little bit gravy version, so that's why I'm using this gravy. And now I have to do the last part. So all done. And now this mustard oil, and then I'll place this tomato. As I said, it's optional. And then green chili, no seed actually, because I cannot have this chili, so for me it's without chili, I mean without seed, sorry. So it's done. And now I'll cover it. Whenever you are doing any bhape in micro oven or you're cooking anything, so you always have to cover it up in the micro mode. And if you're doing a fry or bhaja, the crispy one, then you don't need this lid. So lid off and lid on, you have to very carefully. So you have to remember that. And now I'm going to the micro oven. Sorry, I'm not going actually. The fish is going into the micro oven. So I'm going to do the bhapa. Micro mode on. I'll place it here. And press this micro. Full power 5 minutes. Mine is 900. I have only 2 pieces of fish. That's why I'm baking it for 3 minutes only. So 3 minutes over, it's done. Have to check it very carefully. It's really very hot. So okay, so this is done both sides, and the gravy is already dried up. So it's done in micro oven, the Elish Bhapa. It's very hot right now, so I'll take it out and then I'll show it to you.
Elish Bhapa in microoven is ready for serve with plain rice. Thank you for watching my channel, and for food order just follow Madhurima's Kitchen in Facebook, Google and Instagram, and don't forget to check MaddyBee in social media as well.